Hello and welcome back to With Sarah Jane. Today I have a special surprise that came in the mail. I'll link up here the video that I did on the almond cow that I've had now for about a year and love, but I was contacted by a company called MioMat, and they have something kind of similar to the almond cow, but apparently it does more because it can make smoothies and soups and also the plant-based milks, and it just came in the mail. Here it is. So I wanted to do a very authentic unboxing. I haven't even opened yet. So here it is. It comes with the instruction manual, the MioMat instruction manual. It says plant-based milks, soup, porridge, and smoothie maker. So inside the box you have just the packaging here. Comes with whatever this is. It looks like stainless steel piece that is dull edges. And then packaging, and you have the actual machine itself. Oh, there's a filter. What is that? The actual machine. Feels pretty sturdy and heavy. It says MioMat. It's got several different settings on it. The settings are select, start, stop, raw milk, cereal milk, soy milk, smoothie, creamy soup, chunky soup, porridge, and cleaning. Okay, so maybe it's self-cleaning. It's pretty similar actually, except for this piece, which I'm assuming is a heating element. But the actual blade itself is pretty similar to the almond cow. And then just a fill line of 1100 mil and 1300 mil on the inside. You probably can't see on the inside where it says that, but there is that. So design wise, it's fairly similar. And then the power cord, and looks like some type of measuring cup. So here's the power cord, which you can completely detach, and just a plastic measuring cup. And then that's it in the box. So you've got, just again, the MioMat itself. This fits on, so it does not have the cup like similar to the almond cow. So that goes on there like that, although I'm not sure how to use it yet. And then just the power cord, which goes in similarly to the almond cow. So far, it looks very high quality and sturdy and possibly easy to clean, just like the almond cow, and we'll see how it goes. So let me go grab the almond cow so that we can compare side by side, just out of the box, what they look like. Okay, so side by side, almond cow, MioMat, about the same as far as weight goes. And then my almond cow, this is how I store it. So it has the container to put your ingredients in here that you can see the blade is about the same, a little bit bigger on the almond cow, but design wise fairly similar, and it has the detachable cord, and on the inside it is just a stainless steel. So just an out of the box comparison, this is what comes in with the almond cow, and then what comes with the MioMat. So let me do a little research on how to use it and the difference, and I will give you an update. Give me about, we'll say about a week for that video and to kind of try it out and try out different things, and I will give you a honest opinion on the pros and cons of each one, either the MioMat or the Almond cow, and we'll put them head to head and see which ones you prefer, which ones I prefer, and so that you can compare them for yourself and pick which one you want. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye.